Hello and welcome to 243 Sunset Point Drive. This is a beautiful 4-bedroom home located in Lexington, South Carolina, in a beautiful lakefront community. And you can see there off to our left the Lake Murray there. So you do have a water view. It's got a 2-car garage. Beautiful craftsman style design of this home. Lots of upgrades inside. This is one of the nicest homes that I've been able to tour in quite a while. These are fun to see. So let's take a look around back. Here's our back area. One of the nice things that this home has is got double back porches that run along the length of the back of the home. They got double ceiling fans up there, so a nice spot to sit and rest, check out the lake. Now let's take a look inside. Welcome inside. We are at the front door. We have a nice little hardwood landing right here by the front door. Lots of windows, plenty of natural light. Let's take a look upstairs first. So it's a split level, and the beautiful hardwoods run upstairs as well. We'll take a look at the master bedroom. It's on the 2nd floor level. Just huge. Lots of windows. You've got a tray ceiling, nice recessed can light, ceiling fan. Just an immaculate home. In great condition. Upgrades like thick baseboard molding. Got a big walk-in closet. Of course, we need to check out the master bathroom. Really like these cabinets. It's kind of a gray color. Real popular now. Beautiful granite countertops, double sink. Got the picture frame mirror. And of course, we have our garden tub. And a stand-up shower. And the beautiful living room. Just really nice. We have hardwood floors all the way throughout the living room and the kitchen. It's a nice open concept. Everything flows really nicely. You got double tray ceilings there in the dining and living area. Gas log fireplace. Plenty of windows. Nice trim molding here in the dining room area. And a really nice open kitchen with a huge island. Stainless steel appliances, and again, those really cool painted cabinets. I really like those. It does have some smart home capabilities. We do have a spot here where you can hook up a media device, and there are speakers in the ceiling, a couple of pendant lights, just a huge island here with some additional cabinets and power. So back to the living room. That is the pantry there on the left. We can take a quick peek on the 2nd story, or actually, yeah, the 2nd story deck here. We can see some other homes, but over here you do have a water view. At this time, the lake is down a little bit, so the water levels are normally higher, but a really big back porch. Real nice there. And let's check out the downstairs area. All right, downstairs we've got a big area here that's kind of like a living space. So it's almost a second living room. You've got a little built-in stash center there. We've got our 2-car garage. And we've got 3 bedrooms downstairs. So we've got a bedroom here. And it does have a Jack and Jill bath. Again, with the granite countertops, framed mirror. It's got a shower tub combo here. Really nice. Got tile floors. Another bedroom here on the back. Ceiling fan. Nice windows. We've got another bathroom here off the hall. Full bath, shower, tub combo there. And then we've got a 4th bedroom on the back side of the house. And then let's take a quick look at the 2nd porch on the back, and that will be it. So this is right below the living room area, and you've got a little stairwell that'll take you right down to the yard. And that is it. So a beautiful home in Sunset Bay. This is in Lexington, beautiful community. Just an amazing home, a great place to live. It'd be basically like you're on vacation every day when you get home. This lovely home is for rent. If you'd like more information on this home, please visit our website at turnerproperties.com. Thank you very much.